Okay, D major is, it has two sharps, and it starts on D, ends on D. And remember the major scale pattern. We have start, whole step to F sharp, so D, E, A, F sharp, half step to G, then whole step to A, B, C sharp, and then half step to D. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Now this just so happens to be the same fingering, 3 plus 5, then 5 plus 3, as the G and C scale. So, since you already know the fingering and it's going to be a little easy for you, let's do a couple of rhythms. So first you can do quarter notes all the way through. Then you can do quarter notes at the Ds and then eighth notes on the rest of them. Or if you want to think about it as eighths and then sixteenths, you can too. Eighth, sixteenths, eighth, with sixteenths in between. Now, what is the relative minor? Remember, there's a couple ways we can find that. We can go through the D major scale and go up 6 or down 3, and that's B minor. Now, B minor just happens to fit the same pattern as, or B to B, using the D scale, happens to fit the same pattern as the minor scale, which is start, whole, half, whole, half, whole, whole. So B minor has B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Now one thing I want you to look at is once we get to D, pretty much the fingering is the same. B, C sharp, D. Well, it could be the same if you want it to be. I guess I'm doing a little bit different. I'm doing it exactly the way the D scale is. If you wanted to do it that way, you could do 2, 3, 1, like that. 2, 3, then 1, and so you're starting on D just like you start the D scale. So if you wanted to, you can start on 2, or you can start on 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Here is a little different though. If we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, your thumb ends up on the F sharp, and it's hard to kind of move. It's kind of hard to move your thumb while it's on a black key. So instead, use your fourth finger. And use 4 plus 4. So your right hand is regular, and your left hand is 4 plus 4. All right, so try the different rhythms with both the D and the B minor. Okay, and that is it for D major and B minor.